Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter and the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of this area is 3 feet wide in meter 0.9 meter wide, and here is a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. On that side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and a wash basin arrangement. Also we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have 4 feet in meter 1.21 meter wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the back side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a study table with chair. And we have a attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. This is a 2 bedroom shipping container house. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.